I'm super excited to tell you about this gift I got from SKG. This is their smartwatch. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the box, as you can see here. So nice and sleek. It does have a really nice interface, as you can see here. So you do get the watch, and you also get a charger that comes with it as well. This is what the watch looks like up close, just to give you a better idea. Right there, and this is what it looks like on. Just it's not huge, it's not going to take up a ton of room on your wrist, so that's nice. And then of course it has a bunch of different adjustments here depending on what size your wrist is. So it has health monitoring management on it, 60 plus sport modes as well, and it's waterproof, and it connects to your phone via Bluetooth. In order to use this watch, you do have to download the app. There is a QR code to do that once you turn it on and it's charged, and then it will take you through the whole setup process. Super complicated, but basically everything you have on the watch you can also have on the app as well, just to keep track of everything. So what's really cool about this is it has Alexa built into it. You can message on this. You can almost do basically everything you can do on a phone, but on a watch. So that is really cool. So yeah, I hope this review helps, and if you're watching this, have an awesome day.